Hi, members of Sea Lake Journey Crew.
Hi, members.
How are you today?
I'll tell you how we are. We are rum punching it up here in St. Thomas.
Yes, so we wanted to share the Paradise Rum Punch with you.
That's right. Not just any rum punch, Paradise Rum Punch. Just for you guys. Our 12 members.
It is the strongest rum punch I've ever had.
Look, I've only drank that much. And I feel like I'm getting hammered already.
So we rode the sky ride up to the top. We are at the restaurant at the top, and the view is absolutely gorgeous. And we wish you were here. And just Lalita Loca, Tony and Jody are on the ship with us, as well as Dawn's family vacation.
Yep.
So we're hoping we can do something special for you guys when we do run into them. We've only seen them from across the way. We haven't been close enough to them to, talk to them or anything. But we got a few more days left, so you never know.
It's so funny. We ran into some people this morning, and they said, "Hey, has Tony and Dawn found you yet?" And we're like, "No." Said they? We're like, "Yes, we've been telling them you've got to go find Sea Lake Journeys." They said, "Okay, we'll look for them."
Okay, guys, we love you, and we hope that everyone is well back home. And until the next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.